Welcome. In front of me I have the SONOS Ray, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. Anyway, I'll just pop it open. In terms of packaging, it looks like a recycled paper. It's a little bit flimsy on the sides right here, but holds pretty well. Anyway, let's cut our way into it, because I don't see... Oh no, we actually have pull tabs, so I don't need the knife. No, they're on the side right here. There we go, so that's one. And that's two. Now, once you open up the box, you can see that the soundbar is a bit smaller than the actual packaging that it comes in, so there's a lot of padding to it. But the bar itself does have some heft to it, so it does feel actually relatively premium in terms of a weight, if that actually makes sense. Now, peeling off the fabric, let's see how that actually looks like. Oops. Go yoink that. Okay, so it does have a pretty clean aesthetic to it. And we get a normal plug. So these are pretty common, I would say. So what is it, like a kettle plug, I think it's called. And some paperwork in here. And that's about it. Now, I'm not going to go over the kind of sound quality of this, as it is Wi-Fi based, so it doesn't have any kind of Bluetooth connectivity, unfortunately. And I'm not planning to use their Sonos application to test out how it sounds, and nor do I have anything that I could plug it into right now. But you can see at the back we have a couple connectors. So we have the internet connector, the power, and the, presume it's pairing, I assume it's for Wi-Fi, along with brackets right here for mounting it to the wall. And that's about everything there is to it. There's one last thing, which I'm not sure what this is, to be completely honest. Doesn't really look like... It doesn't look like an optical port. So I have no clue what that actually is. First time I'm seeing such a thing. And it doesn't really look like a plug also, to be completely fair. But yeah, there we go. Now at the top we have a couple buttons. We have play, pause, and these two, whatever those supposed to be. And at the front we have the entire grill, where the speakers are, with a logo that is on top of it. Now this is protruding. I think it's like plastic just glued into them, to the metal mesh right here. And here I think we might have some kind of LED. It's hard to see it right now, but if I bring it closer, you can see there is something here. Now this looks a little bit like a frosted plastic, so that's what leads me to believe that this is just a LED. But there we go. So that's the Ray soundbar from Sonos. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.